Hello everyone, today in this video we'll learn some question from class 9 syllabus, that is to convert from decimal to fraction. So in the previous video I have shown some of the forms of conversion of decimal into fraction. So if you have not watched that video, then please watch this so that you can understand this video properly. Okay, in this video we learn, like suppose we have to convert a question from class 9 syllabus, and the question is in question number 5 Roman number 2, that is 0.547 bar here. Now if you can see in this question the bar is on 2 digit. So here what are the rule will follow? So we'll make two equation. First equation, in first equation we'll take without repeating digit. In second equation we'll take with repeating digit. So these are the two conditions we will follow. So we'll make two equation here, and in the first equation before point the number will be without repeating, and in the second equation before point the number will be repeating digit. Okay, so since we are given here 0.547 and the bar is on 47, that means it is 0.5474747. This 47 is repeating again and again. Only this 47 is repeating, 5 is not repeating. So we'll have to remember that. Now first in this case we'll consider this question as let x is equal to 0.5474747 ... Since the two digit is repeating again and again, this 47 is repeating again and again, so we have written in the repeating form. Now if we see in the first condition, that is in first equation before the decimal 0 here, and after the decimal there is a digit which is not repeating, so that will move to the left side of the point. So if we move this 5 to the left side of the point, that means the point will move from left to the right. So we'll write the equation, same equation here, 0.5474747 ... Then we'll have to see which is the we'll just have to see the digit which is after the point. Whatever the digits are there after the point, if there is any non-repeating digit, then that non-repeating digit will move towards the left of the decimal. So since this 5 is non-repeating, so what we will do, we'll put this point after 5. That means we are putting this non-repeating digit towards the left of the decimal. That means it will be like this, and this decimal will be removed. Now since this 0 doesn't have any value, so 0 will be removed. Now if we see, if we compare this equation with that, the point has moved only one digit towards the right. So point has moved only one digit towards the right, so there will be one number of 0 multiplied with the x and 1. So since one number, this point has moved one digit right side, that is why with 1 there is one number of zeros. So now look, if we compare with the previous equation, we can see here the point was before 5, here the point is after 5. That means the point has been moved one digit towards the right, that is why we need to put one number of 0 with 1, and it is multiplied with x, and this can be equation number 1. Now again we'll have to write this equation number 1 is equal to 5.474747. So this is also same with equation number 1. Now in the second condition we have with repeating digit. That means the repeating digit will be after the before the point. That means here two number of digit is repeating. 47 is repeating, so the point will move 2 digit towards the right. So if the point moves 2 digit towards the right, so the point will be here, and that point we need to remove. So since the point has moved 2 digit towards the right, 2 digit towards the right, so we need to put another 2 number of 0 here, and this will be equation number 2. Now we'll have to subtract equation number 1 from 2. What we'll get? Equation number 2 is 1000x is equal to 547.4747. This is equation number 2. Minus, then equation number 1 is 10x is equal to 5.4747. This is equation number 1. Now we need to subtract. If we subtract this same repeating digit 0, then point doesn't have any value if there is 0 after point. So 7 minus 5 is 2. 4 minus 0 is 4. 5 minus nothing is 5 is equal to, so x 0 minus 0 is 0, 10 minus 1 is 9, then 9 minus is 9. So we are getting x is equal to, now since this 990 is multiplied with x, if we put it on the right hand side, it will be divided. So 542 by 990. Now since this both the numbers are even numbers, so these are the numbers which will be divisible. So 542 then 990. So if we divide it by 2, we'll get 2 times. So 2 2s are 4. So 5 minus 4 is 1. So 1 and 4 is 14. Then 2 7s are 14. Then 2 1s are 2. If we divide this with 2, then 2 4s are 8. 9 minus 8 is 1. 1 and 9 is 19. So 2 9s are 18. So 19 minus 18 is again 1. 1 0 10. So 5 times. Now if we see this 271 by 495, it is 271 by 495. So this is the fraction which if we convert from this decimal, we will get 271 by 495. So this is the way this kind of question can be solved. Now we will learn one more question here, that is from question number 6 from mbose book. And the question is 3.54 bar. This bar is on only 4. That means only 4 is repeating like this. So we will satisfy both the condition and automatically the answer will come. So how we'll solve? In the same way again, let x equal to 3.54444. Then first we will have to put the decimal after the non-repeating digit. That means the digit which is not repeating. So we'll write the same equation 3.5444. Here we will see which digit is not repeating after the decimal. We'll just have to see the number, the digit after the decimal. So here 5 is not repeating. So this decimal, this point will move after 5. So we'll have to put this point just after 5. So if we put the point here, that means the point has moved only one digit. So there will be one number of zeros. So this will be equation number 1. So that means this is without repeating digit. The point is without repeating digit. And in the next condition, what we'll do is write the same equation. Now what we'll see, we have to follow the second condition, that is with repeating digits. So the point will move the repeating digit. So here, since one digit is repeating, only 4 is repeating, so the point will move one digit and the point will be removed from here. Since it has moved only one digit, so one number of zeros will be included with 10, so it will become 100 now. So this is equation number 2. And if we subtract equation number 2 or equation number 1 from 2, we'll get that is 100x is equal to 354.44. This is equation number 2. Then minus equation number 1 is 10x is equal to the point exactly below the point, then 4, then here 5, 3. So if we subtract this 4 is 0. So 14 minus 5 is 9. Then 1 is taken there. So 4 minus 3 is 1. Then 3 here is equal to 100x minus 10x, it is 90x. Now since 90 is multiplied with x, so if we put this 90 on the right hand side, then it will be divided. That is 319 divided by 90. So this is the fraction which we convert from 3.54, we'll get this. So if you understood this video, then please subscribe this channel so that I can bring some more questions and you can learn mathematics from home. Thank you so much for watching.